For more, we're joined by Lisa Copeland, co-founder of Cardone Mortgage Group. It's good to have you with me. Lisa, Trump has often advocated for lower interest rates. How could this impact housing affordability if implemented?
We're very optimistic. I think the people have spoken. We've had a very rough 3 years in both the mortgage and the real estate industry, as I run big organizations both for real estate and in mortgage. So we're very optimistic that with President-elect Trump coming in 2025 and making his focus to, lower inflation and actually boost consumer confidence. What we've seen in the last week has been unbelievable, with people calling us and, they're ready to move forward again.
Okay, so could deregulation for developers increase housing supply, and what challenges also might arise? Yeah,
I've spoken to several builder clients of ours about the deregulation. The permitting processes are so expensive. And so possibly, getting some of that into check, getting rid of some of the bureaucracy, then the builders will not have to pass those expenses along to the homeowners. So we're very hopeful that we can just get rid of a lot of redundant things that really don't benefit the homeowner. They only benefit the government and all the bureaucracy.
Absolutely. So how might a Trump presidency expand opportunities for first-time home buyers? What are you seeing there?
Well, I think first and foremost, it'll expand for first-time home buyers because when interest rates are decreased, that means the payments will come down and it'll be closer to what they're paying in rent. So they're going to feel much more confident about making that purchase. When he gets his hand around inflation and, the price of bread and eggs and gas and all the things that are important to people start coming down, people are going to start getting bullish again, investing their money into real estate, because that's really the only way to build generational wealth. And we've been stifled the last 3 years, and there's been a lot of fear in the market. So we're seeing a lot of optimism out there right now.
Okay, so adjustments to tax policies can shape or break real estate investments. What changes should homeowners and investors sort of anticipate, if you will?
One of the things I think that we're seeing is, and it was on several referendums around the country, I'm in Texas, but the homeowners have almost said that they're throwing their tea into the harbor. They're demanding less taxation for property taxes, HOAs, and things like that. I believe it passed in 8 states. Here in Texas, we got a very big tax break last year by our governor. And I think it's important because you can't just, that's how this country was founded, right? Is that people wanted to get away from taxation. And so, that's what holds people back sometimes from purchasing a home is high taxes. And I do feel like that it's on everyone's radar coming into 2025. And I think if we can get that under control, get inflation under control, and get these interest rates back down into the 5s, we're going to see a boom again in the housing market.
It'll certainly be interesting to see what happens next. Lisa, if people want to get in contact with you and your team, what's the best avenue if they want to do some more research about the housing market and, of course, what you guys are offering?
Yeah, absolutely. Best way to get me is lisacopeland.com. I'd be happy to answer anybody's questions.
Good stuff from you. Appreciate you jumping up on the program and speaking to me today.